How to get ahead of 99% of people with AI. Right now, you're living in the most powerful moment in history. AI isn't just changing the world, it's creating winners and losers. If you want to get ahead of 99% of people, here's how. Point 1. Master AI tools early. The first step is simple: be an early adopter. Most people are still ignoring AI. If you learn tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, or AI automation now, you're already ahead of the crowd. Point 2. Automate repetitive work. AI isn't just cool, it saves time. Automate emails, research, scheduling, or even coding. While others waste hours, you'll get days of your life back. Point 3. Learn prompt engineering. Most people use AI like Google, but the top 1% know how to write powerful prompts. The better your input, the more valuable your output. That's the secret. Point 4. Create, don't just consume. 99% of people only use AI to make their life a little easier. The top 1%, they use it to create content, build businesses, and generate income. Be a creator, not just a consumer. Point 5. Stay ahead with continuous learning. AI is evolving at lightning speed. What works today might be outdated tomorrow. The people who keep experimenting, learning, and adapting, those are the ones who stay ahead. So, master the tools, automate your life, learn prompts, create with AI, and keep learning. Do that, and you'll be ahead of 99% of people. The question is, will you act now or be left behind?